Tyson, with you, we never have to worry about the flame dying in our relationship. I feel like we are always in sync, for the most part. With you, there is no my way or the highway mentality. It is you and me, and the highway is our adventure.
All of us here have great memories of Tyson and Wes as they grew up, and now we're going to get the opportunity as our families grow to have memories of them together, and that's the beauty of marriage.
Today I stand before you ready to embark on the greatest adventure of all, our marriage. I promise to cherish you, to support you, and to love you unconditionally. I vow to be your partner in all things, your confidant, and your greatest supporter. I promise to laugh with you in times of joy and to stand by you in times of sorrow. I will be honest, loyal, and faithful, always striving to be the best partner I can be with you.
I vow to always be there for you through thick and thin. I vow to always be on your side when it feels like the world is not. I vow to take care of you and make sure we have the best life we can possibly create. All I need and want from you is your love and knowing that the rest will follow. Not saying these vows for our audience, I'm saying my vows to you, just you. And our audience gets to see that. I will promise to always follow you into battle. I love you and excited for our future.
I found my home, my joy, and my best friend. Today, I give you not only my love, but also my unwavering commitment to building a life filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. I love you now and forever.
By the power invested in me by the great city of Nashville, I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Sear. You make this your husband.
Wes, my son, it feels like just yesterday when he took his first steps, and now he's taking his steps down the aisle. And now as you stand beside Tyson, ready to start a new chapter, I want you to know that my heart is overflowing with love and pride. Tyson, thank you for loving Wes. I couldn't have picked a more wonderful son-in-law. Truthfully, you're like having another son.
Hey y'all, I'm Peggy Steer. I'm Tyson's mom, and Wes's mom now too, but I've been Wes's mom for a long time. Wes has unofficially been an important part of our family for many years. So tonight, please join me in officially welcoming Wes to our family, to the Steer family. Cheers to Tyson and Wes.
To both of you, marriage is a journey with no map. There will be challenges, but there will also be immeasurable happiness. Hold hands, lean on each other, just as you carry the love that has brought you to this beautiful moment. I love you. I wish you and Tyson all the happiness in the world, laughter and love. Mwah. Congratulations on your wonderful day. Cheers to the groom and the groom. The groom and the groom.